presents.
I'm reminded of Proverbs 18:22. If you're familiar with the passage, it says, "Whoso findeth a wife findeth a good thing, and obtaineth favor of the Lord." Tony, do you believe that you found a good thing? Amen.
So beautiful.
So do you. You're so pretty.
So we wouldn't miss it. Don't close your eyes. Undecided in all our trouble. Say goodbye, well you know I'd follow. Don't close your eyes. Your eyes.
Anthony and Anastasia, as you become one today, you are starting a family. Make sure your family is focused on serving the Lord with a passion and zeal.
Take thee, Anastasia, to be my lawful wedded wife.
For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
Till Christ calls us home.
This is the promise that I make to
you. As two become one in the flesh, so is our union with Christ. As the ring is round and without end, so is our relationship with Christ. Having pledged your faith and love of each other and having sealed your marital vows by the giving and receiving of rings, acting in authority given to me by God and looking to heaven for divine blessing, I now pronounce you husband and wife. For the first time, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Anthony Goy. Amen.